Welcome to my new video on how to install Samsung SCX 3400 series printer driver on a Windows computer. So please come on the screen. I will show you how and where to download the driver and then how to install it. This is the driver that you will require. This is the printer driver and this one is the scanner driver. So you can download these driver from the video description below. Please go to the video description and download the drivers. I have given both of the link there. After that, double click on the printer driver to execute the driver installer. Click on OK. Click on Next. Tick both of the checkbox and click on Next. After that, choose a new printer and click on Next again. Now choose the connection type. Which connection type would you like to prefer, and then click on Next. Here it is asking to connect the USB cable of your printer to the computer and make sure the printer is turned on properly. In my case, the printer is not detecting. I will have to check where is the problem. Let's start installing the scanner driver. So please double click on the scanner driver that you have downloaded from the video description. Click on OK. Choose this option and click on Next. Select USB and then click on Next. Now connect the USB cable of your printer to the computer. Make sure the printer is turned on. In my case, the printer is not detecting. I will have to check where is the problem. This is how you can install this printer on your computer. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.